Mill-kumdità tal-mobile tiegħek tista' tirrapporta lil SOS Malta kummenti inġusti jew diskors ta' mibegħda li tara online li ma rapporti se jintużaw biex l-awtoritajiet itejbu l-azzjoni li jieħdu kontra dak li huwa magħruf bħala hate speech online. L-Imor App, iffinanzjata mill-Kummissjoni Ewropea bħala l-ewwel fażi tal-proġett Imor, inħolqot bil-għan li jkun hemm monitoraġġ u azzjoni fuq kummenti dispreġjattivi online, kemm fuq il-midja soċjali, kemm fuq siti privati u kemm fuq kummenti ta' artikli. Lorna Muscat, Project Manager ma' SOS Malta, spjegat kif se tkun qed taħdem din l-app li se tkun disponibbli għal kulħadd.
It's very easy to report. It's just will take 30 seconds to a minute to just put in the website you have found, what kind of hate is on that website, whether you've reported that to anybody else. And we'll be using all of that data over the next 4 months or so. We'll be collecting data from different people. And be able to understand more fully what's happening in Malta, where hate speech is happening online, and how we can use that data to try and encourage different stakeholders to increase and better their approach to tackling hate speech online.
Fil-konferenza li fiha tħabbar dan il-proġett, SOS Malta ippreżentat riċerka li għamlet fl-aħħar xhur qabel ma kienet żviluppata l-app. Muscat qalet li SOS Malta ridet tifhem x'perċezzjoni għandhom il-Maltin dwar diskors ta' mibegħda fid-dawl illi hawn ħafna għarfien imma ftit infurzar. Dan kollu sar permezz ta' stħarriġ u studju fuq riċerka li diġà saret fuq is-suġġett.
Social media we found to be one of the main places where hate speech happens. Especially, for example, on Facebook in Malta. Social media allows people to express themselves, but it also is more difficult to regulate or to understand what people are saying and take down that content. So social media is a big player in this.
Staqsejna wkoll x'se jiġri fit-tieni fażi tal-proġett li se tkun iddeterminata skont informazzjoni li tinġabar mill-app.
Our app is a social research tool, so we are using it to gather data, and we will be using this data to report to the authorities about what we've found and hopefully encourage better policy. It is not a victim support tool, as there are other places where people can go, but if people want to know where else they can go for that kind of support, we can also help them with that.